my channel. So today I'm sharing an extreme clean with me. As you guys know, we are attempting to sell our house, so there are people coming today and tomorrow to take a look at it. So I want to make sure everything is nice and clean for them to come in and look around. Today's video is also a collab with my friend Courtney. She is a mom too. She's from the States. So hers is going to be a little bit like Thanksgiving themed because Thanksgiving is coming up for them. We've already had Thanksgiving here in Canada. So mine is just going to be a regular old extreme clean with me. So if you guys want to check out Courtney, her links will be down below. Let her know that I sent you. Say hi. Subscribe if you are new. And if you guys are new here, thank you for coming on over here. Hello, my name is Nicole. I'm a mom to a little guy named Colton. I also am a working mom. I work full time and then I do YouTube here on the side. So if you are new, be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the little bell notification. That'll let you guys know every time I upload. I also have an Instagram and a Facebook page. Everything will be linked down below so you guys can check me out. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. Bye.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. I can hear you within the silence. We will dance away the gloomy days right here. We are silver line, one of a kind, you and me. Stay close when it rains, let me keep parts of you. Hand in hand is how we sleep every night. And I will watch you, breath after breath, hold on. So beautiful. And if you fall, I will catch you. We will dance away gloomy days right here. We are silver line, one of a kind, you and me. We will dance away the gloomy days right here. We are silver line, one of a kind, you and me. And I can reach you from a distance. I can, so beautiful. I can hear you within the silence. Ooh. I was wandering round town in a city ago when I was struck by luck, 'cause I found you sitting all alone, looking down your phone like a restless soul. The wind that stroked your hair left your scent in the air, and the sun was almost acting as a spotlight just for you, making flowers bloom. Days are made for you. You make me weak in the knees, and I believe in you and me. So darling, please fly away with me, and you will see. You looked away before I could say that all I want is you and to be near. Standing where you are, I'll give you my heart, peace when we're apart. But then he walked by, you see, he walked by and started to smile, got up and took him by the hand. Now I understand that he is your man. You make me weak in the knees, and I believe in you and me. So darling, please fly away with me, and you will see. I'll see that you belong with me. Again tonight, but you don't seem to forget about yourself. Wondering how it could go so wrong, but you didn't call for help. But let me tell you about the trees and the seas, how it's all connected. The flowers and the birds and bees, the northern lights, yeah, we're all affected. Watching, pray, pray, pray. I'm breathing in. I'm breathing out. To look at life that's pouring into you. And so my friend, let me tell you once again, and you know that it's true.